tell me what you think about this look.
Yeah.
Weezy out here.
Hey y'all, it's Mariana Tajay, and I'm back with another video. And today I am going to do an eyebrow tutorial. So y'all comment down below and let me know how I did on them and what y'all think. But first I'm going to do my makeup, then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. So you see all I have left is my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And doing my eyebrows is like my hardest thing to do. And that's what really take the most time, I think. Some days. And some days it's easy and some days it's hard. I have all my utensils. So I have this two-sided eyebrow slash lip liner, I guess. I don't know what they call this. Comment down below. And I have, and why is the flying here? So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. There's a piece of hair in here. I really don't need to do my eyebrows. Excuse my pimples. I hate those so much. So I usually start my angle right at the tip of my eyebrow. I usually go along with the arch, as you see. Sometimes I don't even draw my line this far, but every time I do my makeup and stuff, it's different. So basically I would do the same thing for this eye. Can't see you, text you. No. What you say? What happened? Basically just do the same thing for this eye. you making your face like that? You be a bad bitch today? No. Yes, you be making your face like that. For some reason, this eyebrow, I can't get jiggy with this. I can't get jiggy with this at all. Okay. Sorry. So for me, whenever I try to get it even, I just go close and I just try to make myself go like this. I'm looking for my contour. I had a Milani contour, but I cannot find it. So I guess today I'm just gonna use the Stay Matte by Rimmel London. And I like these because they have the angled brush on it. Really even, you can connect the lines, but sometimes I don't like doing that if I did my highlight and stuff first. And I like to raise my eyebrows up so I can get a better angle. So that is the end of my video. Comment down below and let me know what you think.